birthday tomorrow, guys. It's my birthday tomorrow, guys. Say hi, hi. Hi.
Oh, like that. There. Oh.
Up. Good morning, little baby. Say happy birthday, Ading. Say happy birthday, Babing.
Yes, your Ading is birthday today.
Ading's birthday. Hey, Gugu. Hey, Gugu.
Hey, go.
Stop. Yes. You sing happy birthday to Babing. Happy birthday, Babing. You pupo na. Pupo. Happy birthday, Babing. Happy birthday, dear Babing. Happy birthday, baby Babing. Hello, Babing. Happy birthday, Babing ko. Kiss mommy. Kiss mommy. Mwah. Mwah. Babing. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Mwah. Naka-zoom. It's zoom. You sing happy birthday to Babing na.
Oh, very good. Program. I just want to welcome Liana and your time, taking time to be with us today, and for welcoming Liana to Christian Church and to celebrate with her. That is very important. Kasi yun po yung paniniwala namin with the family. And thank you for supporting Liana by being with us. And we started sa all Kadilo for also we sent a very brief message of the proud Mami Donna.
Message ko muna, thank you everyone for coming today sa special day ng aming bunso kasi hindi ko din na-expect na yung mga hindi makakarating ay nakarating. So, much appreciated po yung pagdating nyo dito kasi presence buhay ng baby namin ay mahalaga din po
Ito yung
sa
unti mo.
sobrang importante po sa akin and sobrang na-appreciate ko po yung mga nagpupunta dito na hindi ko in-expect na makakapunta po. Kasi mo in-expect ko po na pupunta ay hindi po papunta. So, nag-emotional po ako. Sorry po. So, message ko naman po sa baby po ay lalo naman siyang strong and magiging independent at maging mapagmahal sa kapatid niya and mapagmahal sa isa't isa. So, yun ang maging successful sa buhay at hindi nila ma-experience yung
Talagang the heart of the woman, very emotional and let's also listen briefly to the messages of our grandparents. Let me bring them on board. We know that telephone is very important. So, sino gustong magbigay ng first message?
So I'm presenting myself to present my message first. Hello, good morning. Let me just present myself to everyone who are here. I am Marlo Lawrence Tabuya and I'm from Lina West, Mindanao City. So how did I meet Ma'am Bona? I met her because she was my colleague. We have cultivated friendship with Ma'am Bona, most especially when she was my classmate for the early units para mag-take for the left examination. So that is how we cultivated our relationship and we just reconnected 2023. Buntis pa ako, siya na nag-judge ako, di tayo invited to judge. Buntis pa siya. And then, yun, nag-usap kami, we have the reconnection, sabi nga, sir, we'll meet up later. Yeah, and then, of course, with a joy in the heart, I accepted her invitation. And yun po, I'm very much grateful for the offer of being the second parent. Thank you for the trust, Attorney Ma'am Bona, for giving me this chance to be the second parent to Lilian. I know that our primary goal is to be the second parent, to guard her, to assist her, para mas magbigay ng magandang example for her. And that I am very much willing and happy to do that, to do that goal for her. It's a pledge that be consistent secretary. That is for sure. So, Ma'am Donna, sir, thank you so much for embracing us as a family. Congratulations.
Thank you, Sir Marlo. Parang panig si Sir Marlo. Okay.
may resignation po dito. Si Ninang Mami Gladys daw.
Si Eliana and my Miri, hindi na po actually ng dalawang bata. So, Donna is my friend from college. So,
way back college pa po, sabay-sabay kami umiiyak niya. Sabi na mga kaibigan. We are from Santa Ana po. We're living in upper year po as mentioned. So, sinabihan na kami doon na mag-inang house. Sabi ko, punta kami
Tapos yun, hindi ko sila binugo kasi nagbigay ko talaga kami ng time from hello, welcome sila namin. Si ate Odessa, ang aking sister from another mother. Happy birthday, may God bless you always. Sana ang desire ng mother and father sa'yo is to grant you, Lord, and we shower you all the love and blessings. God bless you always. Ikaw ka sana mabalik ka walang nabata. Happy birthday! Proud! Inang Rochelle naman po.
One month kami magkasama sa seminar. Then, yung husband ko, nag-work kasi dito. So, dito lang kami sa Tugigaraw tumira. And then, nagkita ulit kami ni Donna. So, actually, siguro pareho kami na I have two others. Asawa ko pareho sila, abogado din. So, nakakaasahan sa gawaing bahay. Because, magmula umaga hanggang hapon, kasama ko yung dalawang bata. So, ano naman. Alam ko yung pinag-aaral na kung paano sila, kung paano nila si Miri. Kung gusto mo naman kung paano din nila mabuo si Lian. So, wish ko kay Eliana, happy birthday and welcome to the Christian birthday. May God bless you always and sana lumaki ng masunurin, mapagmahal sa magulang, at mapagmahal sa mga tao na kumaligid sa iyo. Kahit napakahalaga ng pamilya. Kaya na mahal ka ng God bless you, happy birthday.
Para sa akin, compliance yung ito kasi. And all the important things something good. Something like properly the marriage. That was possible. Now, birthdays, wrestling of grades, nakapalin ko ako di person. From the center tayo. Nandito ako. I was the as grandfather ako. Kasi she's yung pinagpulan na kaya nandun lang ako magaling mga again, happy birthday and welcome to the Christian World Day.
Thank you, Ninang Ray.
Pinagre-recite po ako ng dati kong professor. I'm Ron po from Baggal. Of course, first po, I would like to thank Tita Mayo family, including the grandparents of Lian, na kinonsider po ako as one of her ninong. First, happy birthday and welcome to the Christian world, baby Lian. As a backgrounder po, si Atty. Mike po ay naging prof ko way back undergrad pa. And he is also my first boss. Kaya sobrang naging pasasalamat ko po for ni Mike dahil sa mga chances ko na binigay niya sa akin to grow and mangarap na mas maayos. Si Ate Donna, ang dami pong kwento sa akin prior siya, or even after na po siya magbuntis kay kay, kay Miri. Magkasama po kami dati. Kung pumupunta siya sa office, nung bagong lipat po kami ni Atty. Mike dito sa Kalitan. At hindi ko alam kung nung pumupunta po ako dito sa bahay nila kasi nung nag-i-start po si Atty. Mike, lagi po ako kinamang Didi dito. At nakikwento po talaga ni Ate Donna at umiiyak siya kung paano yung mga experience niya. And nung pinalita sa akin ni Atty. Mike through chat, kasi nasa refire na po ako ng RTILG na nung nabuo na po si Miri. Sobrang naiyak po kasi after years, after all the struggles, and in perfect time, si Lord po yung nagbigay sa kanila. And then nasundan po agad. Kaya sobrang happy ko po for them. No? And I know na lahat po ng ito ay blessing po mula sa ating Panginoon. And message for Dian, I wish you all the best in life, even from this year, first year mo as a daughter and a sister kay Miri. Sana matupad lahat ng wish mo. Alam kong nandyan yung mga parents mo na bumagabay sa'yo. Alam kong hindi ka nila pababayaan. And should they need any support, nandito lang ang Ninong Ron, Kuya Ron, para i-assist ka and to guide you in the future. No? And of course, nandyan din yung mga Mamila and Daddy Lomo, and even on the side of Ate Donna to always guide you. Happy birthday and welcome to the Christian World TV, Dian.
Thank you, Ninong Rone. Sabay-sabay po natin kantayin ang happy birthday for baby Ian. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Yay! Isa na po para kay baby Miri kasi birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Mary. Happy birthday to you. Thank you so much. Sorry ka na. 1, 2, 3. Go! Yay! Thank you so much for singing happy birthday for our Jen's treasure bundle of joy.
Let's go.
Hello po. Ma'am, pasok po kayo.
Yung dalawa na action. Baka magbigay na naman. Hooray! 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 Okay. Doon muna tayo sa basic. Okay. Mag-start tayo. Testing! Hooray! Dapat mo kami mag-ahip Okay. Ready na? Kaya? Okay. Take actions dapat siya. Kaya? Ready? Kaya? Okay. Okay na kayo. Kaya? Ay, kumuli ko yung mga pala. Dalawa. Tingnan natin. Okay, ready na ba, kids? Pag nag-stop yung kanta, uupo, hanap kayo ng upuan nyo. Tapos yung hindi makakaupo, out na siya. Okay ba? Okay. Haan? Kids song. Cha-cha. Ikutin natin yung upuan. Tapos sayaw kayo, kembot-kembot. May chocolate kayo mamaya. Opo. Hanap upuan. Meron pa, meron pa. Meron pa. Meron pa, meron pa. Meron pang isa. Ayun, ayun o. Testing lang yan, testing. Go na, go na. May isa pa. Sige na, ate. Nahiya na siya. Okay, bawas na natin ng isa. Okay, ikot-ikot. Ikot-ikot. Magpa-sunburn muna tayo. Okay lang yan. Isang araw lang naman. Okay, may upuan silang lahat. So, tatanggalan natin ng dalawa. Isa. Okay, okay. So, ready? Ready na. Thank you, Ate Iya. Tinulak ka na ni Kuya. Hindi siya nag-giveaway. Magkalaban yung dalawang barako. Sige, sige. Sayaw lang. Walang hahawak ng upuan, ha? Walang hahawak ng upuan. Okay, ulitin natin. Parang sabay kayo. Sabay kayo. Walang hawak. Sayaw lang, sayaw. Parang dapat walang hawak. Para para alam na, makita natin kung sino yung makakaupo talaga. Sayaw lang, wala pa. Oh, si Kuya Javi na. Thank you for
Wala sa magdimini.